Hi, this is instructions on how to get started registering in your Cyrus account. First, you'll start by clicking on Click here to enroll. At this point, what you'll have is a blank form here to fill out, but what I want you to do is not put your email or password. I want you to click on Getting Started. That will take you to a new window. On this window, I want you to put in your Lane Community College email, whatever it is. It's your last name, first initial, lanecc.edu. When you fill that in, you'll click on the Next button. When you click on the Next button, it says School Not Found. What I'd like you to do is click one more time on the Next button, and you will get this window. Your email will appear. You'll drop down this drop-down list. It'll say, I think it says Michigan or Minnesota, I don't remember. Drop this down, find Oregon. Drop this list down, find Lane Community College. Add your join code, which is uppercase HTW718. Once you fill that in, you'll click Check Join Code Now. It'll come back with one more time and do another click on Check Join Code Now. At that point, you will get this form. This form you'll fill out with fill it out completely, your email, the password you want. Your password. Then you'll verify your email again, verify your password. You'll have an activation code. That activation code comes with your text, and you'll have that code. You'll fill that in. Since you already have it, you don't need to buy now. It'll tell you you're in my class. You'll fill in your information here, first name, last name, first name, last name. You'll create your security question. When you have this completely filled in, click on Create. You will then have your Cyrus account and be ready to start the class. If you have any questions, send me a message in Moodle, and I'll be sure and respond and help you in any way I can. That should get you going.